Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super handy. How to edit a picture right inside Google Docs. Whether you're sprucing up a report, creating a presentation, or just playing around with images, this 2025 update makes it easier than ever. If you've ever struggled with basic edits without jumping to another app, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, open up Google Docs on your computer or mobile device. If you're on the web version, sign in to your Google account and create a new document or open an existing one. Now, to insert a picture, go to the Insert menu at the top, select Image, and choose your source. Maybe from your computer, Google Drive, or even a URL. Once it's in, click on the image to select it, and you'll see a border appear around it. Editing is straightforward. With the image selected, look for the toolbar that pops up. You can resize it by dragging the corners. Just hold Shift to keep the proportions perfect. For more advanced tweaks, click on the three dots in the toolbar to access options like cropping, rotating, or adding borders. In the 2025 update, Google Docs has improved image adjustments, so you can easily brighten, contrast, or apply filters directly. It's like having a mini photo editor built in. Don't forget to experiment with text wrapping if you want your image to flow nicely with your content. Just right-click the image and select Image Options for more settings. Once you're happy with your edits, save the document, and your changes are automatically applied. Easy, right? There you have it. Editing pictures in Google Docs is quick and efficient, saving you time and hassle. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. What's your favorite Google Docs feature? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.